Hey everyone, it's Josh from Sporty'sToolShop.com here with another episode of Tool Shop TV. Today I'm going to show you about the toilet tank cleaner. This toilet tank cleaner removes calcium, lime, rust, and hard water buildup. For the first step, you're going to remove the toilet tank lid. After that, open up your container of toilet tank cleaner and then dump 8 ounces, which is also half the bottle, into the tank. Stir the water up and let it sit overnight. In the morning, come back, flush to the toilet, and it is ready to go. That's it. It's that easy. If you like this video and would like to see more videos like it, please tap the like button and subscribe. Thank you.